dwaro ni skunde dute pacho ka oket picha mag wang dede mag CCTV mag nono kaka jopuonjre timore e skunde. Murkomen olose skund sekondar ma Pichni Girls kama mantiere kaunti ma Kericho kama owacho ni kaponi picha mag CCTV mag skund Utumishi Girls nyocha irango kinde ka kinde to nyocha deo thir maundu manyocha timore e skund no.
I was reviewing the CCTV footage of Utumishi Academy and I felt very sad. I even struggled to sleep because we could see the kids who are coming to light the fire. Very brilliant kids. Some were got the best because that's a high school, that's a national school. But for them to just get paraffin and a matchbox and burn a dormitory, really consciously seeing their colleagues sleeping there and walk out and leave them to die, that is something, that is the most demonic thing I saw myself and I've seen.